Hi, my name's Stacey Butcher, and I've been teaching conscious dance and movement for over 15 years. And I would like to cordially invite you to come and join me for my next open floor workshop, which is here in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina, October 25th through 27th. And the workshop is called What Are You Waiting For? Right, so let me ask you this. Do you ever find yourself afraid to take the next step in life? Maybe you believe you're not qualified enough or brave enough, or you don't have enough time or money. Maybe you're too old, right? The list goes on and on and on. We have so many beliefs and fears and self-judgments that get in our way of living the life that we truly want to live. And maybe you want to travel more. Maybe you want to start a new career doing what you truly love. Maybe you want to slow down and have a more peaceful life, right? Maybe you want to, right? You fill in the blank. Right? So what beliefs and fears are getting in your way of doing exactly that? Right? Life is precious. So let me ask you, what are you waiting for? Come join us to explore that very question. Right? Through dance and other somatic practices, we'll move with and through the beliefs and fears that keep us from actually moving forward in our lives. Right? Transforming the I can't to an I can. Right? Doing this work together over a weekend with like-minded people is extremely deep and powerful. And if you live outside of Asheville, come join us. It is amazingly beautiful that time of year. The fall colors are incredible, and it's peak leaf peeping time. So it'd be great you can come and make a holiday of it and see the colors and come and join us. So I'll put the link below with the website with information. You can find out more about me and my work and about the workshop and register. Please feel free to contact me with any questions. Happy to talk with you, and I hope you can join us.